Yo, check it out. So, I made a short there in the beginning. This now is the video I wanted to show you, all right? That's why I made that short. If you didn't see the short, you might want to watch the short. I had to make the short because of this. I have actually hit 7 days, people. Person, whatever. I'm so hyped right now because I can't even help myself. I am so happy. I hit 7 days. My print head didn't clog. Whew. I swore I was going to clog my print head. I really did. And the thing is, I'm actually testing a new ink. So let me show you. I made the introduction video. Ooh, that was a close-up. So I made the introduction video on the ink I'm testing. So this is not even my ink that I like. This is a total brand new ink. I swear to God, I was going to top. I swear to your deity, my deity, any deity, I was going to clog the print head because I don't know how this ink. Let me show it to you. I didn't know how this ink was going to behave, and I tried it anyways because I was just in a weird funk. My head wasn't in a good place. I was ready to beat my butt from here to next week. Still going to. It's coming. I just don't know when it's coming. I just fought it off for today. Hopefully it don't come for the rest of the day because I'm really not in the mood to deal with it. So this is the ink. Alright. New ink. This is the ink I'm testing now. Aqua something something. I made the introduction video. If you didn't watch it, you might want to watch it. So I'm actually, and it's just the white. So it's just the white ink. I haven't got the colors yet. So this is just the ink I'm testing right now. Okay, so know that it's not, I'm not really, oh my goodness. I'm pressing the buttons on my camera, so that's why it's moving around. So I'm just testing this ink right now, okay? This ink. I know. Saying it all over again. The active track was on, so when I have the active track on, just to explain, it follows my face versus what I'm trying to show you. So I had to turn it off and then show you the product. I'm still learning how to use this camera because I don't use it very much. I switch between devices. I switch between my phone and the camera, so that's why every so often the videos look like different because just different cameras. So that new ink I'm used testing. I swore it was going to clog the print head, but it didn't. And it's because of the method that I'm using, the soak method. If you don't know what it is, you really want to go watch my maintenance videos. I will show you it again, and this time I'm going to show you what I did to achieve 7 days because I updated it. I tweaked it a little bit. Yeah, I tweaked it a little bit. So I could achieve 7 days without printing, and I'm gonna show you what I mean. Watch this. Watch. Again, you may not believe me. That's your choice. You don't have to. But there's a date right there. See, that's my last print date. Look. Let me see if I can get this thing to focus. Ah, there it is. So there it is. See, last print date, February 5th. All right, that's the last time I print. February 3rd, but you see the last print date was February 5th. I hope y'all see that. Today's date, right there, February 13th. When I saw that, I had to do the math because I couldn't believe the actual time. I'm like, hold on, that's how long I didn't print. I wasn't even keeping track either. I just didn't feel like printing. I didn't feel like doing anything. I was doing embroidery stuff. So I really haven't paid attention to my printer like at all. I haven't done anything apart from the two things that I've done. The two other maintenance. Actually, it's one thing. One thing I really did. And I'll tell you what it is when I do the updated maintenance video. And let me show you that my print head is not clogged. I'm not done with my maintenance yet. But look. Let me see if I can get this thing in focus so you can see it. There is, if it focuses, focus, camera, focus. Camera not focusing. Sorry, it's not focusing. Oh, there it is. So there it is, see? Print head's not clogged. Hope you can see that. Print head's not clogged. Look at that, not clogged. I haven't finished clean. This is the middle of my startup maintenance. This is clean number 3. So this is just clean number 3 of my startup maintenance from 7 days of not printing. Okay, no, actually no, this is 4. Yeah, this is number 4. Sorry, this is number 4. All right, from not printing for 7. Ooh, that's a close up. For 7 days. Sorry, I apologize for the close ups. Sorry. All right, so I am not making this stuff up. I wish I was, but I'm not. Again, the question is, you should ask why, or if I'm lying to you, not is this person lying to you, because again, I am not an affiliate of anybody. I don't have any products to sell you. And the only thing I'm working towards is being monetized by Google. And if I'm going to be monetized by Google, isn't lying to you is going to hurt me more than help me? So why would I want to lie to you guys? Or you, or whatever. You know what I mean. Alright? So that's what you want to think. That's the question you should be asking, not if I'm lying to you. Alright? So until I make that video on what I did to achieve 7 days without clogging my print head. Plus I'm also testing that ink, so as soon as I get that ink, as soon as I test that ink some more, I'll come back with a definitive answer on how that ink performs and if it's worth buying or not. Ooh, close up again. Oh, close up again. So I'll let y'all know how that ink performs, and I keep y'all up to date. And I haven't been, like I told you, it's winter, and if y'all been watching my videos, you'll see that winters are just the worst for me. So when it comes to winter time, I'm just in this weird place. I'm trying, but it's not working out well. All right, so hopefully I see you on the next run. Peace.